Logging is a complex process requiring reliable equipment. This is where skidders come to the rescue. Skidders, or skidding tractors, play a key role in logging, transporting trees and tree sections from the felling site to loading points. Their use depends on the harvesting technology, terrain, and type of grapple equipment. Let's break down the main types of timber harvesting using skidders. Cut-to-length harvesting. In this method, trees are cut into logs, assortments, directly at the cutting site. Skidders transport the finished logs or bundles formed by the harvester. The main advantage is minimizing wood damage during transportation. Full tree harvesting, stem harvesting. In this case, trees are skidded as delimbed stems, known as full trees, stems. Skidders with choker or grapple attachments move the stems to the landing for further processing. This method is effective on steep slopes where cut-to-length harvesting is less applicable. Whole tree harvesting. Trees are skidded with branches intact to the processing site. For this, skidders with reinforced frames capable of transporting heavy bundles are used. Delimbing is performed at the roadside landing. Skidders are divided into two main types, choker skidders and grapple skidders, chokerless skidders. Choker skidders. The operation of these machines is based on a cable winch with chokers for binding trees. They are ideal for manual felling and work on mountain slopes with inclines exceeding 30 degrees. Their main advantages are excellent off-road capability in difficult terrain. However, they require manual labor and have lower payload capacity per trip. Example: John Deere 540G 3rd. Grapple skidders, chokerless skidders. These machines are equipped with a hydraulic grapple for preformed bundles, allowing quick loading and reducing cycle time by up to 50%. They work in tandem with feller bunchers. The main drawback is the high stress on the tractor's undercarriage. Example models: John Deere 648H, Caterpillar 525D. Universal skidders. Models like the NOE NF 210-6R are equipped with a manipulator, winch, and harvester head. They can perform felling, skidding, and loading, replacing several machines. Flat terrain. Grapple skidders of medium and heavy class such as the TimberPro TF are optimal here. They can transport bundles up to 18.5 mit-3, making them an excellent choice for working in large areas. Mountainous terrain. In challenging terrain, choker models like the John Deere 540G3 or cable yarders are preferred. For stability on steep slopes, wheeled skidders with a 6x6 or 8x8 configuration from TimberPro and NOE are suitable. Small cuttings with dense forest, compact lightweight class skidders weighing 5 to 10 tons with a narrow frame for maneuverability are ideal here. Modern machines are distinguished by their energy efficiency. Specific fuel consumption is 7 to 15 liters per engine hour, which is significantly lower than older models. Innovations include hydrostatic transmissions, reversible fans, and GPS monitoring. Heavy class machines, such as the Caterpillar 555D, develop power up to 186 kWh and can skid up to 25 cubic meters per trip. Using modern skidders not only increases logging efficiency, but also reduces environmental impact. The real challenges of logging are mud, breakdowns, and harsh conditions. Loggers appreciate self-deprecating humor that accurately captures the essence of their tough but vital work. For them, a skidder isn't just a machine. It's a trusty, though sometimes stubborn work companion. A logger's life is like a skidder's path, forward, with rumble and crash, overcoming obstacles, dragging the weight of the past like a bundle of stems. Loggers say, "My office is the skidder cab. The view from the window is the taiga. The air conditioning is an open vent. Company parties are around the campfire after shift." The choice between wheeled and tracked models depends on numerous factors, including terrain type, climatic conditions, and economic considerations. The features of each type of equipment influence their popularity and demand in different regions. Wheeled, maneuverable machines equipped with winches and grapples. Tracked, designed for operation in challenging conditions, swamps, snow. Tracked skidders have a larger ground contact area, reducing specific ground pressure, down to 450 grigua cm2 compared to 1200 grigua cm2 for wheeled models, and minimizing soil compaction. Wheeled skidders are better suited for level and firm surfaces. They are more maneuverable in dense forests and areas with limited space, but may experience wheel slip on wet or loose soil. To enhance stability, some models are equipped with dual tires or differential lock systems. Tracked skidders are more commonly used in clear-cutting operations, where traction power and stability are crucial. They are effective for transporting large bunches of timber in extreme conditions, such as after rainfall or on swampy terrain. Wheeled skidders are more versatile, suitable for selective logging, working with feller bunchers and processors. Models with choker equipment allow for quick bunch formation, while chokerless models enable the handling of individual logs. Tracked skidders cause less damage to the forest floor due to weight distribution, but their movement on asphalt can damage the road surface. Wheeled models with low-pressure tires reduce soil compaction, maintaining a balance between productivity and environmental friendliness. The choice between a tracked and wheeled skidder depends on the tasks. The former are preferable for complex landscapes and wet soils, the latter for speed, versatility, and economy. Modern technologies such as VF, very high flexion tires or hybrid systems, are gradually blurring the distinctions, but key design differences remain decisive. One of the key trends in the forestry equipment market is the increasing adoption of hybrid and fully electric skidder models. Manufacturers are actively implementing these technologies, reducing CO2 emissions and fuel consumption. This not only lessens the environmental footprint, but also lowers operational costs. The integration of GPS and artificial intelligence enhances operational precision and efficiency. Automated control systems optimize routes and processes, reducing harvesting time and minimizing damage to soil and vegetation. Operator safety is a critical aspect. Modern skidders feature enhanced cabs with improved comfort and protection. Ergonomic workplace design and monitoring systems, such as cameras and sensors, reduce fatigue and the risk of injuries. Artificial intelligence in skidders analyzes the terrain, selecting paths that minimize time and fuel consumption while reducing soil damage. It also predicts potential malfunctions, preventing breakdowns and boosting productivity. Autonomous control systems allow operators to supervise multiple machines, reducing the need for direct intervention and enhancing safety. Russian skidder manufacturers, Altailsmash, Altrak, Onajets, produce logging equipment and are in high demand on the domestic market. Supporting domestic manufacturers is a crucial step towards developing Russia's logging industry. The Altailsmash plant in Barnaul, with over 20 years of experience and production of more than 1,800 units of equipment, ensures high-quality control and reliable after-sales support. All equipment is certified, with warranty service and spare parts supply available. Altailsmash skidders are designed for operation at extreme temperatures, making them indispensable in Siberia, the Urals, and the Far East. The track system reduces ground pressure, minimizing damage to the forest floor, and enabling operation even in deep snow up to 1 meter. The equipment is suitable for gently rolling terrain with slopes up to 15 degrees, and ground-bearing capacity from 100 kPa. The LP18 ALM model boasts a payload capacity of up to 15 tons, and a grapple volume of up to 14 cubic meters. Equipped with a hydraulic manipulator and a clamp-type arch, grapple skidding becomes faster and more efficient. The equipment is oriented towards full tree harvesting technology and is less adapted for cut-to-length logging, which requires forwarders and harvesters. Russian Onjet skidders, manufactured in Karelia, feature reinforced undercarriages and operator protection systems, popular in the northwestern region. The TDT-55 models are classic domestic tracked skidders, easy to maintain, with power ranging from 80 to 130 HP, widely used throughout Russia. These machines are engineered for challenging Russian landscapes such as swamps, deep snow, and off-road conditions. They feature reinforced frames and frost resistance. Multifunctionality. The base platform allows adapting the tractors for log skidding, equipment transport, or clearing trails. This versatility enables them to perform multiple tasks, reducing the need for additional machinery. Wheeled skidders by John Deere operate effectively in the most demanding conditions, including steep slopes up to 45 degrees. They are ideal for skidding large bunches and working in confined spaces. These machines are adapted to any environment, from mountain slopes to dense forests. A unique hydrostatic transmission system combined with mechanical gearing provides smooth speed control and automatic gear shifting, enhancing skidding efficiency. Grapple models work efficiently with feller bunchers, capturing entire wood bunches. Choker models are equipped with a direct drive winch, making them indispensable on steep slopes. Flexible configurations allow adapting the machines to any conditions. The operator benefits from an ergonomic cab with panoramic glazing, a rotating seat, and climate control. Electro-hydraulic joysticks and settings for 10 operator profiles ensure intuitive and comfortable control. Maintenance is also simplified thanks to a tilt-up cab and externally mounted filters. Extended service intervals and a pressure lubrication system reduce maintenance frequency and the risk of breakdowns. John Deere engines reduce fuel consumption by 15–20% through optimized RPM and energy recovery systems. The main advantages of skidders from the Belarusian holding Amkodor impress with their technological sophistication and high quality. They are excellent for tasks requiring maneuverability or cut-to-length harvesting. Amkodor independently manufactures up to 70% of components. This ensures high equipment reliability and reduces import dependence. Global Service Network. 90 certified service centers worldwide provide genuine spare parts, mobile repair teams, and a replacement machine service, minimizing downtime. Wide range. 297 models of equipment, including specialized forestry machines, allow selecting the right solution for specific tasks. The holding implements eco-friendly technologies and supports social projects. With such characteristics, Amkodor equipment becomes a reliable partner in the logging industry. The market for skidders and logging equipment continues to develop, actively adapting to new challenges and modern demands. Through innovations in energy efficiency, safety, ecology, and automation, manufacturers offer solutions that promise not only to improve business economic performance, but also to enhance its long-term sustainability. Wheeled and tracked skidders remain an important component of the logging industry market. Stay with us and be the first to receive news about the special equipment market. The Naciol.ru portal works for you, with you, and because of you.